Hi everybody, I'm David from David Christopher's, and welcome to part of our Atlanta showroom at the Atlanta International Market Centers. This is our Gimme Smore Christmas tree theme. So we have lots and lots of like marshmallows, really fun colors of pinks, blues, reds, whites. We have macaroons, but we also have
Macarons.
We also have marshmallows with cute little faces on them, and we have mixed sparkly glass with watercolor glass, and then there are, of course, s'mores in our tree, because it's our Gimme Smore Christmas tree. So we have lots and lots of marshmallow things to go with our kind of marshmallowy theme here.
Our youngest son, Spencer, said this was a child's dreams all on a tree.
He did.
It's so fun.
And people are always saying we can't put, they can't put something that big on a Christmas tree. And these candy canes are, I think, 4 feet tall. But, yeah. So, big candy canes. Nothing wrong with putting big things on a tree. It really makes them stand out. And it's pretty easy to do, especially with these candy canes. All you have to do is kind of tuck them in and twist some pine around in a spot. And they're ready to go. And then we have lots and lots of these striped wire branches. And those are so great because not only can you use them just for looks, but also, let me get this off. We can hang any amount of ornaments we want from these. Really, they've got a little heavy wire in them, so you can use those to extend things from your tree and hang ornaments off of those.
We hope you all enjoyed the Give Me Smore Christmas theme. We sell wholesale, we sell retail. Check us out at davidchristopher's.com, where you can find these items available. Depending on when you check the website, they could be set to pre-order, or it could be available when you watch this video. We're just not sure when you'll watch it.
Yeah, so we have a lot of our products are in stock now, and they're coming in every day. Thankfully, they're coming in on a pretty good time frame this year.
Yes. So we hope that you enjoyed this video and that you're excited about our collaboration with Ramon at Home. And we're going to have a lot of videos for you, but he is also going to be putting out some videos using our products to give you more ideas than ever before for this Christmas season. Thanks for watching.